Alright, so in our last video I showed you guys how to create a new document for the Yestermorrow specifications. The next thing we need to do is to use master pages to set up a grid. So as I discussed earlier in class, there's master pages up here and there's document pages down here, and anything you create or place into those pages will be added to any subsequent pages in your document. So in order to access those, you're going to come up here and double click on them. We're now in the master page element. You can see it doesn't look any different, of course, because we don't have anything on our document or on our master pages, but we'll soon fix that. So if I want to apply elements or anything to both simultaneously, you can hold down Shift and click the other page, the one that isn't selected. You can see these are both now gray. And then what we're going to do is come up here to create guides, and I'm going to check this preview box. What this is going to allow us to do is anytime we add something on here, it's going to show up in the background on the fly, and that way we can have an idea of what's going to come up and we don't have to guess as much. So as we discussed in class, we're going to be playing by Chichol's canon of page construction, which is 9 rows and 9 columns with no gutters. So I'm going to set 9 rows, no gutters, 9 columns, no gutters. We're going to fit these to the page. In this case we don't have margins, but that's one way to do it if you did. In our instance though, we want to be working with the whole page, so we're going to select that. We don't have any existing ruler guides, but let's say we did from something else. You can check this box and it will get rid of those and replace it with what you just created. For us, we're starting from scratch, so it's not applicable, but just so you know what it does. So we're going to click OK, and it's now on our master page. Now if we click down into the document view, it's been applied as well, and any subsequent pages that we create will have them too. Alright, so that's how we set up the grid system for our new booklet. Check out the next video for setting up the actual text blocks.